Today we are going to see a small skit. And children, this skit is about a hunter and few animals. So are you all ready? Come on, let's begin. The hunter asked deer, "Hello, who are you?" Deer replies, "I am a deer, and I leap, jump, and run." See, the deer leaps about and shows to the hunter. The hunter replies, "Ha ha! I am a hunter and I hunt deer." Listening to this, deer screams, "Ah!" and runs away. Now, hunter meets another animal and he says, "Hello, who are you?" Now, the lion replies, "I am a lion and I roar to make your heart tremble." And the lion starts roaring. "Who are you?" The hunter replies, "I am a hunter and I hunt lions." The lion also gets scared and he also screams, "Ah!" and runs away. Now, again the hunter meets another animal on the way, and this time he meets a tiger. He says, "Hello, who are you?" Tiger replies, "I am a tiger and I prowl about in this jungle." And he starts prowling. "Who are you?" The hunter replies, "I am a hunter and I hunt tigers." Tiger gets scared and he also screams, "Ah!" and he starts running. Now the hunter meets one man on his way. Not an animal, but a human being. The hunter asks, "Hello, who are you?" The hunter replies, "Hello, I am a hunter and I hunt animals. Who are you?" "I am a forest guard and I catch hunters and put them in jail." Now the hunter gets scared and he screams, "Ah!" and he tries to run away from that forest guard. But the forest guard also goes and catches him and he says, "Caught you." So children, if you have enjoyed this small skit, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.